Please pause this for a moment and write the formulas down in your notes that you'll be using today. Okay, let's suppose we have the ordered pair 3, 4 and -6, 8, and we wish to find the midpoint. To find the midpoint, it's simply an average of the x-coordinates and an average of the y-coordinates. So using the midpoint formula, it would amount to 3 plus -6 over 2, and the y-coordinate would be 4 plus 8 over 2. Simplifying both of those down, 3 plus -6 would be -3 over 2. There's absolutely no reason to change it. That is good enough. It's reduced. And the y-coordinate would be 4 plus 8, or 12, divided by 2. That we would want to reduce down. So our point of the midpoint is -3/2, 6. The other formula you're going to be using today is the distance formula, and the distance formula that you put down in your notes is the square root of x sub 2 minus x sub 1 squared plus y sub 2 minus y sub 1 squared, all square rooted. So how this works is this first coordinate is x sub 1, the second one is x sub 2, the first y-coordinate is y sub 1, and the second one is y sub 2. So we'll plug those into the formula. x2 is -6 minus x1, which was 3, y2, which is 8, minus y1, which was 4. Now we'll work on figuring out what's in each of those sets of parentheses. In this parenthesis is -6 minus 3, which is -9, being squared. And in this set of parentheses is 8 minus 4, which is 4, being squared. And now we will square, following the order of operations, we will square those sets of numbers. So -9 squared is -9 times -9, which is 81. And 4 times 4 is 16. And now we'll add 81 and 16 and get 97. And since the square root of 97 is not a perfect square, nor does it have any perfect squares in it to reduce down, we could leave it that way. If you choose to find out what the square root of 97 is, it turns into the decimal that is approximately 9.85. Either one of those would be acceptable. Okay, please work on the assignment on page 694, numbers 18 through 31. I will leave a worked out answer key for the substitute here, and you may check your answers there if you get confused. Thanks, and have a great day.